So let's talk about Shipbob. If you've been using Aliexpress for a while, you definitely want those 1 to 3 day shipping times. And I can definitely give you a recommendation right now as to what you can use potentially if you want to speed up those shipping times and get the product to the customer a lot faster. Let's talk about these 3PLs. Shipbob is a tech-enabled 3PL that is basically like a fulfillment center that's based in the United States, and they also have networks in Canada, Europe, and also Australia as well. So basically you can get a bunch of items that are from AliExpress, and then they are shipped very fast in the United States of America. So that pretty much eliminates that crazy long shipping time from AliExpress by using Shipbob. In terms of the shipping times, it's fast. It's like 1 to 3 days. So basically Shipbob is made for drop shippers that are on Shopify as well as eBay, but you can also use it for other platforms as well. And believe it or not, there's actually a lot of companies that do use Shipbob, like Tom Brady and his company TB12 actually does use Shipbob. So they are reliable, and they are like a reputable company as well. They've been around since 2014. And I mean, just to kind of put in perspective for you of what they are and what they do, basically Shipbob is like an Amazon fulfillment center. So that's literally like what they are. They're like an Amazon fulfillment center for you, pretty much. But you have to have the item, you have to buy them in bulk, and then get the items from AliExpress, let's just say, to ship over to Shipbob, and then Shipbob themselves in the United States ships the item out across the United States like within 1 to 3 days. And obviously the 1 to 3 days shipping time is tremendous. If you're somebody who's just sick and tired of chargebacks, Shipbob is a really good option, because chargebacks from AliExpress, you don't want these items to be shipped out like for 30 days and just wait for an item possibly even 45 days to reach a customer. It's completely ridiculous. You cannot afford this type of speed in terms of shipping, especially when you're trying to build a brand and get a brand built. If you're just starting out and you're sick of AliExpress and all this stuff, Shipbob is a pretty damn good option. It's not the best option out there, but it's definitely a start, and it's definitely something to get yourself away from AliExpress. If you're the type of person that wants to move away from these crazy long shipping times, if you're getting stuff from AliExpress, you definitely want to choose a company at least to get your items quicker, and if you are selling items at a quick pace, that is. I would not recommend Shipbob though if you don't sell items in high quantities. And also keep in mind too, Shipbob is going to charge like some fees for you to use their service. They are a 3PL, they are like an agent, basically. They act as an agent for you in this entire process. But they do a good job. I mean, like I said, they're very reputable, they're in the United States, so they definitely get the items out very quickly. And it's certainly something I would take a look into at least, just to see your options. Personally though, I would definitely try to ship the items myself. Like if you were a very seasoned drop shipper, I would certainly look into having the items sent out yourself, either whether it's your own fulfillment warehouse, or even if you have the items shipped to your garage, if you're a very small time seasoned drop shipper potentially. But that's just on you. If you want to stay passive, obviously Shipbob is not a bad option. It really isn't. And also to keep those times in terms of shipping very low. And that's definitely what you want. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.